Hey, hello everyone, welcome back. So in our today's video, we are going to see how to create an EdTech like mobile app, like for example Udemy. So how to create an app for Udemy. Okay, so this is the home page of our app, and if you see at the top left corner, you can see the section as design courses. At top right, you have a profile section, and then you have a search bar, and then you have three different options like UI, UX, coding, or basic UI. So when you click on this, the screen will get refreshed. So this is just a designing part. So and then you have here a few options for the courses that you can sell. Then at the bottom you have a different section where is the option of popular courses. So you see we have four different options like app development, web design, and other things. If you click on any course, it will take you to the detailed page of that course where you can see the pricing, rating, how many classes, how many hours, and each and everything, how many seats are available in this course. Also, you have an option to add this course into your favorite section. At the bottom, you can add it into your cart by clicking on this plus sign, and you can directly join this course by doing the payment by clicking on this join course button. So in our today's video, we are going to see how to create this kind of design for your EdTech like app using Flutter. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's start our video. Okay, to create this kind of app, we just have to go to Google and search for an repository which is created by Mitesh. Okay, so this is a repository. So the name of the repository is Best Flutter UI Templates, and it is created by the developer whose name is Mitesh. Okay, Mitesh77 is his GitHub ID, and here you can find the source code for your for this project. Okay, and this is the screenshots of this project. So you can just come to this repo, clone this repo onto your system, and you'll find the whole source code of this design. And I must say this design is really good and very clean and makes your app look more attractive. It's not only about EdTech. You can create any kind of app and use this design. Okay, so just clone it and use it. And I will really like to thank Mitesh for creating such a beautiful design. Thank you so much. And yeah, that's it by my side. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.